Hey guys, it's your girl Wandika, originally from Jamaica, and I just want to show you that I've put down all of the dates and made a few changes, like putting that piece of tape on the spine. That way it's easy for me to just make sure that we get to the 25th in this book. I also have this watercolor sheet because I want to spend some time doing some watercolor, so at least one will have sort of a watercolor feel. And I kept like this art. I'm not going to do anything with those pages. So I'm going to do days 8 and 9 and then also put down a few things for the 10th. And I did have one of these tape runners left, so I figured I'd just use it until it was done and just not get any more of this brand. And I got this ornament. Well, it's basically a tree topper, or you could use it as just decoration on a shelf, but I thought it would be good to put this Santa on the top of the tree. And so I get to talk about Santa in this particular one using one of those sheets that I've been using all along that gives us facts about Christmas and so on. And if you remember, these are the sheets that I had in that folder I showed in my craft haul video that I'm using to sort of have somewhere to write where there is no writing space. And I may not use it on this page, but I wanted to use that small part for this page, and so I figured I'd just prepare the rest for the other pages. And I also always wanted to use this stamp because it was a great sort of design for the top of the page. I'm not sure that I'm going to put any pictures on this page. I think this is just going to be writing. And for this day, I got to use my Christmas cookies fact sheet because we did have Christmas cookies for the student reading. I brought some pastries, fruit juice as refreshment, since it was a little event for them to share their work. And so at the end I asked them if we could take a class picture, and I did that for both of the classes. And you might recognize this page. It used to be the Christmas shopping bag that I showed you guys in my Christmas haul video. And this picture that I'm cutting out, it's sort of the journals that I made. I wanted to have sort of a showcase of the journals as they read, because I invited people from the department just to kind of get a sense of what we were doing in the semester. And this is what I was saying, where I will come back to this page and add some other things like the picture for the day and so on in another video. But I wanted to put down the sheet, the Christmas fact sheet. This one is really about the ornaments for the tree, and I don't have these large glass ornaments on my tree, but the one in the lobby of the Cosby building, they have this humongous tree, and I knew I would have to put this in my journal because I thought definitely want to put these large ornaments in here. And so basically what I'm going to go back and do is just to put stickers and put notes and stuff like that. That's why I spent some time just finding the washi tape to put on the edge of papers and sort of organize the dates ahead of time, because it makes doing these really quick, really easy. And right now I'm in the thick of grading, and so I really needed time. I've gone all the way to the 31st in this book, but I think what I'll do is just have a travel journal for the rest of December. So that's basically it. I'll come back and finish up the 10th, the 11th on another video. All right, walk good.